I'm Lindsay Jackson, Artistry and Training Lead at Artis. I'm going to show you a few of the many ways you can use the Artis Linear 1 Demi brush. The Linear 1 Demi is much like the Linear 1, except it's half the length. That means it's ultra precise. If you want to add extra definition to the face, this is the brush to use. Because of its unique size, it allows you to get into hard to reach areas to blend or apply in the finest of places. I love using the Linear 1 Demi to line my lip if I'm wearing a bold color, and then to fill in the rest of the lip for a pretty blended pop of color. Artis brushes work with any formula, whether using liquids, powders, or creams, and applies and blends makeup beautifully to any skin type. Here are some of my favorite ways to use the Linear 1 Demi. When defining the brow with Linear 1 Demi, slide your brush across your favorite brow powder once, and gently glide your brush along the bottom of your brow for definition and blend up into the brow. The Artis CosmeFibre bundles are so densely packed, and each fiber tapers to a microscopic tip, so you need a fraction of the product used with conventional brushes and a gentle application, which gives you a soft yet precise shape. Place your Linear 1 Demi into your cream liner product and gently glide your brush from the inner corner to the outer corner in minimal strokes. Linear 1 Demi makes for an effortless line. Using your Linear 1 Demi, glide the brush back and forth across your desired lipstick and glide softly side to side across the lips for a wash of color. For more definition, go back into your lip color with the Linear 1 Demi. Take your brush and glide the tips of the fiber bundle across the edge of the lip for a precise lip liner effect. With Artis, experience better beauty by design.